In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to register for NAB Internet Banking. Whether you're using a computer or your phone, I'll show you exactly how to get everything set up quickly and securely. Before you begin, make sure you have your NAB ID, your date of birth, and your mobile phone nearby. You'll need it for verification codes. You may also need a temporary password or your telephone banking password, depending on your account. NAB ID is the 8 to 10-digit number located above your magnetic strip on the back of your card. On your computer, open your browser and head over to the NAB website. Click on Login at the top right corner, then select Register Now. Just follow the instructions that appear on the screen to start your registration. For security, NAB will send you an SMS code. Enter that code as soon as you receive it. After that, agree to the terms and conditions, and if prompted, enter your telephone banking password for extra verification. Next, you'll be asked to create your new password. Make sure it's strong and secure, then confirm it. You can also add your email address for alerts, and choose whether you want online statements for easier access to your documents. Once you've filled everything out, double-check your details. Enter the final SMS code and submit your registration. And that's it, you're now ready to log in using your NAB ID and your brand new password. You can start using NAB Internet Banking right away.